So now we're dividing a fraction by a whole number. And to do that, we don't actually divide at all. Instead, what we do is write out the fraction and then multiply the denominator by the number that we're dividing by. So our numerator stays the same, and 4 times 2 is 8, so our answer is 1/8. Now we have 3/4 divided by 5, so we write out the fraction and multiply the denominator by 5. So that's 3/20, because 4 times 5 is 20. Finally, we have 3/10 divided by 5, so we write out the fraction and multiply the denominator by the number that we're dividing by. So 10 times 5 is 50, so our answer is 3/50, because the numerator stays the same. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.